Imagine this, the Flash racing at full speed, but suddenly he stops to wait for feedback from every single person he passes. Hold up, Flash. Delayed feedback collection is like the Flash stopping mid-run. It slows you down and you miss the opportunity to act fast. Customers are ready to give you feedback, but if you're not collecting it in real time, you're missing the mark. Moksy.ai helps you automate feedback collection with real-time surveys, dynamic feedback forms, and instant response tools. Get immediate insights into customer satisfaction so you can improve your service on the spot. With tools like SurveyMonkey, Intercom, and moksy.ai, you can set up quick feedback collection on your website and automatically capture responses. No more waiting around. Collect feedback and improve instantly with moksy.ai.